Adisa Afolabi, isem fittizju li qed tużaw għal Afrikana li rrakkontat storja magħna dwar it-traffikar uman. Storja li tqanqal biża' u li bdiet meta missiera ntlaqat b'tiri tarma tan-nar. Dak iż-żmien flimkien ma' familta ħarbet miż-Zimbabwe, il-pajjiż fejn twildet.
I was forced to kind of leave the country because they wanted to my safety. And so at 16 I left Zimbabwe and I went to train. I didn't know actually what to do. So I went and became a hairdresser in London, and then after that I went to Cyprus, which was where my parents are originally from.
F'Ċipru dak iż-żmien kien hemm ħafna Arab li ħarbu mill-gwerra li kienet għaddejja fil-Libanu. Hemmhekk intefet ma' grupp ta' nies li daħluha fiċ-ċirku Vizzjuż ta' droga.
In their house we would have, like these big parties and do drugs, cocaine, marijuana mostly. So I'd be inside, boom, boom, until 7 a.m. and then from there I'd go to work. And so eventually I just moved in with them, and I was part of like let's say a harem. So we used to have some wild parties in there. And so I went deeper inside, and then I moved. I left my house, I was 17. I left my house, went inside to live there. And then my mother, she just was very worried because she thought these guys are going to sell me, or do something very bad.
Il-biża tal-ġenituri tagħha li bintom kienet se tispiċċa użata u traffikata komplet tikber. Iżda Adisa tirrakkonta kif ma rridx taf bil-familja li xtaqetilha il-ġid. F'Ċipru spiċċat il-ħabs u għaddiet minn terror sħiħ fosthom sitwazzjonijiet qrib il-mewt bħal episodju fejn mhux darba jew tnejn spiċċat barma tan-nar ikkargata ma' rasa. Wara dan kollu hija tispjega kif spiċċat l-Amerika u żewġet kontra x-xewqa tagħha.
So then one of the guys, he was a sheik, a Saudi guy, and he had all the cash. And he said, come, let's go to America. So I went with him to America. Originally I was supposed to marry his best friend, and then he was supposed to marry his girlfriend. But his best friend died of overdose, and he never came. So I ended up being with the two of them, the Saudi and his girlfriend, and he married her. And I was just the second woman there, so he had two women.
Adisa tajt li kienu kważi 10 snin wara li daħlet l-ewwel darba f'dan iċ-ċirku Vizzjuż li nixxilha taħrab mingħand ix-xejk Sawdi. Tajt li ġiet il-Bibbja f'idejha u meta bdiet taqra indunat x'ħajja kienet qed tgħix.
And that's when I realized what I had become. I was like, what had happened to me, And
when you returned back to your roots.
When I went back to my roots, and everything was the same, but I have changed so much. I was so hard. I was such a hard character. If somebody dies in front of me, I couldn't care.
Illum Adisa taħdem f'diversi missjonijiet u tħeġġeġ nies li jinsabu f'sitwazzjoni mdalma u fejn il-futur huwa imċajpar. Illum Adisa bl-istorja tagħha tallimna li rridu nifqu li traffikar uman dak li jneżża id-dinjità tal-bniedem.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.